go. Oh yeah, see, there you go, very bright now. So now we have to go and change. Wow, that made a huge difference. But the colors, but the rendering is a lot more realistic in this. We now just need to adjust our lighting. If we go back into our post-processing and back down here, we can almost just do it fairly quickly. Look at the range of colour now. Look at the colour that you're getting. You need to play with this more because it's a bit, almost a bit garish now. I'll take the saturation down. Let's just do that. Saturation, just bring that down because it's probably a bit too strong. So the contrast down. Just going to check that out. So we're making that green. It's that light of that. Yeah, that's better. A little bit better. Okay, so we need to change that. We need to change the directional light color because it's coming through as almost a greenish color. There we go, let's have a look at that. You know, this could, you could do this for ages, you really could, and spend a long time doing this. But it looks really nice. You get the idea. Look at the way the light is bouncing off the rock, and it's bouncing off the top of that log, that falling log. You know, I really like it. It's almost got edge lighting around some of the objects now. Yeah, really nice. Okay, let's just be careful we don't go too mad here. Directional light, color. Let's just take that down a little bit, just a little bit. There we go. Yeah. Okay, where's that green coming from? We need to get rid of that green. It's a bit too green. I think it might be coming from in here. Let's pull it back to blue. Oh, that's nice. If you're looking in this view here, the camera view, you can see what's sort of the results you're going to get. And don't look in here because this is your editor window. This is what you're going to see in your camera, in your game. So let's see. Let's just have a look at that. Oh, that's better. Look at that. That's fantastic. There you go. Might take the yeah, what I'll do is we'll take on these particles, we'll just take them down a little bit more. That one there, we'll just take the alpha down a little bit more. Just there you go. Let's have a look at that. Yes, I'm liking that a lot now. Colours are coming through. It looks really creepy. Depth of field is working really well. Lights, the colours are really popping now, and it's all working nicely. So once it's all set up, it does work really well, Unity. You can see that light hitting the rock and the tree. It's fantastic. Yes, I'd say these colours here are probably a bit strong, but I like it. I quite like it like that, so I might just leave it. And I'm gonna, this scene is gonna be, it's taking my flames away for some reason a bit. That's interesting. Not so bright as they were. So I mean, when you add all these features, let's just go and have a look. Anyway, listen, I'm going to stop this here because it can take a long time to set up all this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I've done in the end. In the end video, I'm going to show you, I'll just do one full sweep through it all and show you what I've done. I'll just quickly go through these some more. So that was color grading, which is we were in the middle of. Use of color LUT, you probably won't use that. It's you have to load in a LUT file, which you can get them online, and that again color grades it using the actual file, because there's a lot of LUT files out there which give it a very particular look, but it's more advanced, that stuff. Chromatic aberration, you probably won't use that. I would leave that. You can have some grain if you want, but you can see it grain. I don't like it myself. You can change the intensity of it. I mean, it's quite nice to have a little bit, perhaps. Let's have a look at that. Yeah, it gives it a kind of, let's just turn that off. Let's have a look at that. Yeah, you can just sort of see it in the fog. It gives it a grainy sort of look. It's all right. I'm not a big fan, to be honest. I might take the colour of the fog up. But like I say, I'm going to turn that off. Don't want grain. Vignette is quite cool. It gives it a sort of a dark edge around the edge of the screen. It kind of, again, it focuses your attention ahead, and that's quite nice. Very classic old style sort of technique, just to pull your sort of field of view into the middle center of the screen. Yeah, these colors, this flame, these light colors have changed quite dramatically, so I'll have a look at that. Yeah, I'm starting to like this now. It's coming together, but I'm going to work on it some more, and then in the very last video I will show you what I did. So that's vignette, and then dithering. Yeah, nothing to configure, so ignore dithering, and that's it really. So what I would suggest you do is play with all these values yourself. Let's see what you've done. Be careful with color grading. I'm going to play this some more because it's not quite right, but it is looking pretty damn good, if I say so myself. It's starting to really come together. Well, it has come together pretty much. I mean, it looks really, the sharpness and the depth of this, it's really good. I'm going to change the color of the lighting because I'm not sure if I like the intensity of that light, the lights on the barrels. Let's just go down here, and the darkness is a bit too dark. I'll probably bring up the fog color as well now. Yeah, that looks really cool with all the ambient occlusion. Looks really nice. Okay, so you can see the potential here. You know, you've got this far. You can finish off the lighting, and I'm going to leave it there. And you know what to do. If you want to change your lighting, go ahead, and I will see you in the final lecture. Bye for now.